this is something that you must get across to your viewers. If people don't listen to the whole thing, make sure you cut this part out at least. The exact 3 same sections. So understand, in Ali's case, on the basis of some BJP youth worker, they go in and they pick him up. Please understand, as though you're picking up some great wanted terrorist at 6:30 in the morning, out of state jurisdiction, in front of a 9-month pregnant wife, and pick him up. In Vijay Shah's case, which was a much more egregious offense, much more clear-cut, black and white offense, Madhya Pradesh police does nothing. Does at both BJP ruled states, does nothing. It takes the Madhya Pradesh High Court to take suo motu cognizance and say, can you please file an FIR? Madhya Pradesh police file an FIR under duress, under the same section, section 152, section 196(1)(b, and section 197(1)(c). Same sections as Ali Mahmoodabad. Nothing has been done in Vijay Shah's case. The High Court then wraps the police and say, you've written the FIR in a way that you can get it quashed later. Vijay Shah moves the Supreme Court, saying, I'm apologizing. Supreme Court thankfully says, apology not accepted. This is rubbish. Sets up an SIT. He's still roaming free. He's still roaming free. So on the same sections, you have picked up Ali Mahmoodabad. Why? And I have no hesitation in saying this. It is because he is Muslim. It is because he is Muslim. If a person of Ali Mahmoodabad's education, his lineage, his pedigree, his contribution to society as a whole, his contribution to Indian academia, global academia, if he can be picked up like this, then think of 200 million Muslims who are living in this country, who can be mob lynched, anything can be done. Ali has got PC for 1.5 days. And do you know what the police said? They said, we need 7 days PC because we need to go to Mahmoodabad, near Lucknow, his ancestral house, to recover his laptop. So the lawyer said, are you stupid? Everybody does their tweet from their phone. Nobody has a laptop. He's a professor at Ashoka. He lives at GK. Why will his laptop be in Mahmoodabad? So this is the kind of Mickey Mouse nonsense they are doing. You know, so we need to stand up. We need to stand up. We need to